Good morning, class 3. I hope you all are doing perfectly good. So we were doing the poem I Asked the Little Boy Who Cannot See. Before we move on to the next part, we'll do a little bit of reading first. So everybody take out your book and we will read together. I asked the little boy who cannot see, and what is color like? Why, green, said he, is like the rustle when the wind blows through the forest. Running water, that is blue, and red is like a trumpet sound, and pink is like the smell of roses, and I think that purple must be like a thunderstorm, and yellow is like something soft and warm, and white is a pleasant stillness when you lie and dream. Okay, we'll read once more. I asked the little boy who cannot see, and what is color like? Why, green, said he, is like the rustle when the wind blows through the forest. Running water, that is blue, and red is like the trumpet sound, and pink is like the smell of roses, and I think that purple must be like a thunderstorm, and yellow is like something soft and warm, and white is a pleasant stillness when you lie and dream. So, I hope you are doing the words, you are reading the words and you are learning the poem every day. At least give a reading to the poem, at least give a reading to what am I doing every day with you. Rustle, the meaning is the sound made by leaves when the wind blows through them. We know the meaning of trumpet. I showed you the picture that day. I hope all of you remember it's a musical instrument. Yes, correct. Now everybody take out your CW. We have done the similes. We have done question 1, yes, rhyming words and similes yesterday. Now today we'll start with question. There are not many questions, but still 2-3 are there. I'll give you that. I hope you have done the make sentences which I gave for homework, right? So leave this page, start in a new fresh page, write CW and write date 28/4/2020. Write English Literature chapter 3. I asked the little boy who cannot see. Okay. Now question 1. What did the speaker ask the boy? The speaker asked the boy what color is light to him. Because he was blind, so the speaker was very curious to know that how he defined color, how he understood, how the boy felt color. So the speaker asked the boy what color is like to him. Okay. Next, question number 2. The boy cannot see colors. Question number 2. The boy cannot see colors, but he experiences them through his other senses. Name these senses. The boy cannot see colors. Obviously, we know that the boy cannot see the colors, but he experiences all the colors through his other senses. He uses his other sense to understand the colors. What were the senses? Name these senses. The senses were the boy cannot see the colors, but he experiences them through his other senses. They are ears, nose and touch. What are it? Ears, nose and touch. One sense is missing. Can you tell me what is that? Yes, taste. Yes, the color of the boy is not experiencing any color through taste. So only 3 sense organs are used here, that is ears, nose and touch. Okay. I'll read the once more. The boy cannot see the colors, but he experiences them through his other senses, ears, nose and touch. Question number 3 I have not given today. We'll do only 2 questions today and rest will carry on tomorrow. So what did we learn from this chapter, children? We learned that we should appreciate nature in whatever form we get to know. Even if we don't have all the senses, we should not feel low, we should not feel dejected, we should be happy, and we should make the most of everything with whatever we have got. Okay, we should make the most of everything which God has given to us. We may not have everything, we may not be perfect, but whatever we have, we should be happy with it.